Hey everyone, today we're checking out the JetFlux Pressure Washer, a compact yet powerful tool that promises to make cleaning your home, car, and garden faster, easier, and more efficient. If you've ever spent hours scrubbing your driveway, deck, or car, you know how exhausting it can be. JetFlux is designed to tackle those chores with minimal effort, turning your standard garden hose into a high-powered cleaning machine. Let's talk about the key features. First, don't let its small size fool you. JetFlux uses advanced hydropower technology, which delivers strong water pressure capable of cutting through dirt, grease, and stubborn stains in seconds. Whether it's mud on your driveway, grime on your fence, or dirt on your patio, this little device packs a punch. Another great feature is its dual spray modes. You get a gentle mode for delicate surfaces like cars, windows, or flower pots, and a stronger mode for tough cleaning tasks such as concrete, patios, or siding. This versatility ensures you have the right power for every job without switching tools. Setup couldn't be simpler. There's no need for bulky machines or complicated assembly. Just attach JetFlux to your standard garden hose, turn on the water, and start cleaning immediately. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to store. Perfect for homeowners who want convenience without sacrificing performance. JetFlux works on multiple surfaces: driveways, fences, cars, decks, windows, garden furniture, and more. And because it's water efficient, you save on water usage while still getting maximum cleaning power. It's also eco-friendly, so you can keep your home clean without worrying about wasting resources. Now let's cover how to use it in 3 simple steps. First, unbox the JetFlux and get it ready. Next, attach it securely to your garden hose. Finally, blast away. Select the spray mode, aim at the surface, and watch dirt disappear almost instantly. It really is that easy. Before purchasing, there are a few important tips. Always check the website's credibility. Look at the seller's background and how long the domain has been active. Read independent reviews on platforms like Google, Trustpilot, or Reddit to see what real users say about performance and durability. Also, compare similar products to ensure JetFlux meets your expectations in terms of power, warranty, and price. And finally, consider your cleaning needs. If you're tackling industrial or heavy-duty jobs, a larger washer may be better. But for home use, JetFlux offers an excellent balance of convenience and power. So, the JetFlux Pressure Washer is a versatile, compact, and powerful tool for anyone looking to simplify outdoor cleaning. It delivers professional-level results, works across multiple surfaces, and saves time, money, and effort. Just remember, do your research, check reviews, and ensure it fits your cleaning needs before you buy.